Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and this is the Ultralight 4-part carbon touring paddle from Jaspara. This is obviously a 4-part paddle, so it breaks down into 4 pieces, about 60 to 70 centimeters across there. So if you pack well, you can get it into your kayak bag. I love this paddle because it's so unbelievably lightweight. It is 878 grams in total, including drip rings. That is just like, wow, crazy lightweight, especially considering it's quite a long paddle. You've got this extendable shaft here. It goes from 225 to 235 centimeters. That is in the longer end of the paddle spectrum for kayaks, but it's great for inflatables because you generally have an inner tube beside your hip or a chamber beside your hip, and it allows you to easily reach the water without having to lean over. So let's check it out. The first thing I love is that all of the shafts fit together, really, all of the bits fit together really snugly, right? So you've got a nice solid paddle. It does not feel like you are using a 4-part paddle. The other thing I like is the blade shape. You've got a nice long, narrow blade, not particularly large, and so it's a very efficient for touring. Like you can get a lot of use out of this. Like you can go all day in this paddle. Then it's got this amazing locking mechanism here that basically allows you to choose the length and the feathering of your kayak paddle. So you can either go 235 if you've got a long or a wide kayak, or if you are very tall, or if you're paddling a kayak that's a bit narrower or you're a bit shorter, you can go with 225. It gives you that flexibility. The other thing it does is allow you to choose your feathering. Now, if you can see right now, my blades are quite flat. They're at the same angle, but I'm right-handed, so I'm going to turn this one away, the one on the left, I'm going to turn away. And what that means is that when I stroke, I do my right hand's gripped, my left hand's loose, and then when I get here, I can rotate this arm around, and instead of having an awkward position like that, I can now push with my right hand. I've got my feet braced. I'm using my whole body in the paddling motion, which means my shoulders, my arms don't get super tired because all of the power is coming from the whole body. Now this is a smaller blade. This is not a sprinting paddle. This is a long distance touring paddle. In fact, that's why people often pay more for carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is really strong, really, really light, but it is more expensive. Now that lightweight, that lack of weight means, as you're lifting that paddle over and over and over, if you're going on a full day trip or a multi-day trip, it really makes a difference. Okay, so I'm really happy with this paddle. I think it's fantastic. For those of you who are doing more than, say, a couple of hours out on the water, it is absolutely worth the money. If you have any questions about the Ultralight 4-part carbon touring paddle from Jaspara, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.